What's up guys, Phil from Fierce Technology. This is the Elgato Camlink 4K. This is the brand new variation of the Camlink. The previous Camlink was only 1080p max, whereas this one goes up to 4K, 30 frames per second. It will do 1080p at 60 frames per second though. Let's go ahead and unbox this and get a closer look at what's included on the inside of this amazing device. First thing we have is the actual Camlink right there, and you can see right there, very nice. It doesn't actually specify on here that it's 4K, which is kind of interesting. I thought that it would actually specify, but we just know by the actual box itself where it says 4K. We also have a USB cable extender right here, so you can actually plug this right into, this right into here, and then you can extend it so it doesn't put a lot of wear on your computer. So just those two devices, and then we've got some Elgato stickers, and then we've got the Elgato startup guide. So not a lot included with it, but that's really all you need. Then you just plug in your camera. The only thing you might need is a HDMI cable from your camera to the actual Elgato itself. But thank you very much for watching the video. There is your Elgato Camlink 4K.